In this video, you'll learn how to fix export issues with Kimi AI. This guide will take you through a series of steps to resolve common problems that may arise during the export process. Begin by opening your web browser. It is recommended to use a reliable browser like Google Chrome for this process. Once the browser is open, navigate to Google by typing www.google.com in the address bar and pressing enter. After reaching the Google homepage, locate the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser window. These dots represent the menu. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. Next, from the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Privacy and Security. This section contains important settings related to your browser's data management. Once you are in the privacy and security section, look for the option that says clear browsing data. Clicking this will open a new window where you can manage your browsing history and cache. In the clear browsing data window, you will see different options for clearing data. Make sure to select cached images and files. This step is important as it helps resolve potential conflicts caused by outdated files. After selecting the cached images and files option, proceed by clicking on the button that says Clear Data. This action will delete the cached files, which can often resolve export issues with Kimi AI. With the cache cleared, the next step is to open Kimi AI. You can do this by searching for Kimi AI in your browser or accessing it through your bookmarks if you have it saved. Once Kimi AI is open, attempt to export your project again. If the previous steps were performed correctly, you should notice that the export issues have been resolved, allowing for a smooth export experience. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.